Katherine, first off, set the stage for us. What is the problem that Gary Gensler is trying to fix right now?
The real headline is competition. Gensler wants to even the playing field. He is saying that there are firms, notably the wholesalers, that have dominated how stock trading has occurred since really 2 decades ago, which was the last time that the market has seen an overhaul similar to what we're seeing today. So he wants to basically give other players, new entrants, and really entrants that haven't been able to build their market share, a fairer opportunity, or at least an ability to compete in the market, which he's saying is not the case as we see today.
Katherine, these are big, powerful firms. They're not going to take it lying down. How difficult a process is this going to be?
It's going to be a very difficult one. We've already seen some lawsuits, some pushback, notably from the firms that are going to have to really think about how this impacts their business model. And we have seen technology and ways that these firms have really been able to build their own revenue stream and compete in a way that they say is benefiting retail investors. Mm-hmm. So that's, I think, going to be what they argue, is that the way that the current system works is to benefit all investors, institutional, retail, and that these changes could blow up what has been, what they say, the best model since Reg NMS in 2005.
So market participants are also going to be now forced to engage in auctions for the right to process orders within like milliseconds. What does that mean? Like, what does that actually look like?
It's going to be a very complicated process, and we're still sussing out the details, but essentially this is for smaller orders. There's all of these exceptions to the rule. So for example, wholesalers would be able to, if they can show that they're giving the midpoint for orders, they would be able to get out of this auction model. So it would be very specific, and we're still going to have to see the details of how it actually plays out. I will also note that the actual exchanges, the venues in which this auction will take place, they have to meet certain criteria. They have to meet volume thresholds. They also have to display the quotes. And some of these exchanges, specifically ones, these alternative trading systems, they don't display quotes, so they're going to have to change their business model if they want to host auctions in the same way that exchanges today that do display data would be able to.